The 2013 Toyota Corolla. With fewer than 45,000 miles on the odometer, this four-door sedan prioritizes comfort, safety, and convenience. Smooth gear shifts are achieved thanks to the 1.8-liter four-cylinder engine. And for added security, Dynamic Stability Control supplements the drivetrain. Toyota infused the interior with top-shelf amenities, such as one-touch window functionality, a trip computer, an outside temperature display, remote keyless entry, and more. With side curtain airbags supplementing the rest of the safety network, you can be assured that you and your passengers will experience top-tier protection. This vehicle has achieved certified pre-owned status by passing Toyota's comprehensive certification process. Our knowledgeable sales staff is available to answer any questions that you might have. Call now to schedule a test drive.